Yeah, hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can delete $5,000 or more worth of collections in just 1 month. Now, I do have some results here I want to show you. So if you guys have LVMV funding, also if you guys have some even charge-offs too, these will work for charge-offs, but you guys are going to see Verizon a lot showing as a collection. Also, Fingerhut is on there, Navy Federal. And you can see right here too, Midland, NTA. These are also accounts that were deleted from the credit reports. And also I have these here I wanted to show you guys as accounts being deleted from your credit report. So I don't care if maybe your student loans turned into a collection. I'm not caring exactly what collection is. I'm going to show you guys how you can actually take the steps to work to get these collections deleted in 1 month. Now, there's not like a set amount either. It's just the point that you can delete more than $5,000 worth of collections. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it step by step. So when it comes down to removing these accounts from your credit reports, you have to send in dispute letters. So you guys can actually go through this process for like less than $50, and you can possibly do it even cheaper than that. And I want to show you guys the complete steps. And if you guys want to find stuff further for this, definitely check out my workbook I have right here, the links for Strong in 75. I just got a copy of it in the mail, and it literally step by step, every day it tells you what you need to do, and you'll actually fill it out in here too, so that you guys can stay on track to work to get these accounts deleted. But let's actually go into how to actually do the dispute letter, which is what I need you guys to do. So I have a free copy of my dispute letter on my strongin75.com or just Rickita.com, whichever one you want to do. You'll see I have it right here. So the free dispute letter and credit card list, that is where you guys can get the actual free dispute letter. Now, once you guys get that dispute letter in the Strong in 75 episodes 9 through 11, and you can see all of the episodes too. Let me show you guys that. You can see all of the episodes here. So you can see every day I literally been recording, and starting at number day 9, you can see right here how to dispute the bureaus. We already started doing that. We already started that. So day 9, 10, and 11. So you'll see how to do a dispute letter. And it'll be way more detailed than what I'm going to show you. But this right here is going to give you guys a kickstart. And then don't forget, check out the workbook. I do have that workbook available for you all. You guys can check that out. Now, here is what the dispute letter will look like. This is what it will look like filled out. But I want to show you guys this, and then I'm going to show you a credit report to show you guys how to fill it out. So on your dispute letter, you're going to have to put in your name. You're going to have to put in your address. You're going to have to put in your social security number, and then put in your date of birth. And then this letter right here is being sent to Experian. You guys, you have 3 total credit. You have 3 credit reporting, the main 3 credit reporting agencies. That's who we're going to send this dispute letter to. So it's Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. So you have 3 of them, right? So that's who we're going to send it to. So for example, let's actually find a collection that's listed on here, and then I'm going to show you guys how to fill it out. I'm going to show you guys an example, and then I'm going to show you guys how to fill it out. So here's a good, perfect Midland. Here is one here. So here's the dispute letter. The only section you have to fill out is this section right here. Now, when you get the dispute letter, it's already going to be a reason as to why the account should be deleted. These 2 is already going to be filled out. You can decide whether or not you want to change it or not. It's not going to say late payment. We did that because it was a late payment on self. But you will see it look like this: not mine, no contract, not liable, unverifiable. You can keep that if you want to, and then you just have to put the account number, and then keep this part too. But let me show you how to do it. So all of this section you have to fill out, and then all of this, when you see this part, y'all want to leave that alone. And you're going to see more detail when you guys watch that video, like I said, within that playlist. But let me show you an example what you have to do with all your collections. So I'm just going to paste this here so we can have it. You literally have to go to your credit reports. And also, for those people that don't have a copy of your credit reports, we do have 6 months of free letters. We can create your dispute letters for you, and we can email them to you, or we can also email them we can actually mail them out on our end. I suggest that you guys send them all out via certified mail. But you guys can see step number 2, you can get a copy of your free credit report through Aura. Aura is actually going to show you a copy of what's on your credit. That's free for 14-day trial. I suggest you guys do that. And then also Identity IQ, they give you all 3 of your credit reports, and that's $1 trial. And that's kind of what I'm looking at here. This is just the edited version where it actually showed me the problems that's wrong with the account, right? But basically what you want to do is you want to take the name of your account. So let's copy the name of our account and let's actually paste it here. And then we want to get the account number. But the thing is, I blocked out the account number. You can see it can still highlight, but I blocked it out because I don't want you guys to see their account number. So we can just make up an account number for them, okay? So let's go ahead and make one up. So that's the account number. You guys, if it's really not yours, no contract, you're not liable for it, and it's unverifiable, you can actually leave that there, okay? But for this account, what I like to do for a collections account, I like to say things like this account is being re-aged. And then I like to find something else. Like usually your collection accounts are always being re-aged, meaning the last date of activity, it should be before the date open, but it's not. So I like to put that as being re-aged for collections. And I also like to look and see what's wrong. So I can put the date open on this account is incorrect. Also, the date of last activity on this account is incorrect. So let's go ahead and put that. So the date opened. And then I'm going to actually put the please delete and remove. And I'm going to put this this unverifiable account from my credit report. And the thing is with this account, it's on 2 of our bureaus. Okay. And if you guys understand what I mean by it's on 2 of our bureaus, this letter is only going to Experian. So we have to copy this letter. We have to copy this letter 3 separate times. So here's a copy of it for Equifax. And then here is another copy of it for TransUnion, right? So let me double check. It's on Experian and it's on TransUnion. So what I would need to do is I would also add this to the bottom of TransUnion. Now, this is just an example. I actually filled this whole letter out. And again, you can see this on Strong in 75. If you guys go here to our playlist here, you guys will be able to see this. It's on episode 9. It's on episode 9. So definitely check it out. And the whole letter, you can get this letter for free here. Now, I do have a letter for just collections. So if you guys just go to like my main website, Rickita.com, you guys can schedule a call with us. You guys can still get a copy of that free dispute letter. But I also have a package of letters for just $27. Literally just $27 for 6 letters in this complete package. There's going to be 3 months of letters that you guys can send out. And with this package, you guys, all you have to do is still fill in the blanks like I just showed you by saying what account needs to be removed and then why it needs to be removed. Now, a lot of people ask, oh, Rickita, how do you feel like you have the authority sometimes to talk about this? In my videos, I showed you guys how I literally sued Midland and we settled outside of court. And this was in 2022. So I sued Midland and we actually had a settlement. And this is something that I would suggest you guys to go for. But I really like the letters that I created in that package for just $27 because I believe that those letters are some nice letters that you can also go all the way to and possibly sue Midland. Now, I cannot tell you the terms of how we sued, but I love to show people also the settlement that I had with TransUnion, where also on here you will see this is an email that we had. This came from the judge. The judge filed this in court, and it says, as a follow-up from our correspondence, this is the email that's from TransUnion to the plaintiff, which is me. I am authorized to settle this matter for a dollar amount, the monetary payment, and then case specific action. Now, I cannot fill in those blanks because it's confidential, but I'm showing you guys this so that you guys can see that this is a real thing. And again, I can't create the dispute letters for you. Definitely go to strongin75.com. You can follow along with us now. I think we're on day like 22 as I'm making this, or day 21. And look, the journals just came in. So we literally did our dispute letters together. And if you guys go ahead and get that journal, I will send you a copy of so many other documents that we came up with. So you can see right here, this is where we're at. We're on day 22, and we're going to go over late payments and goodwill letters. So if you guys do have late payments and if you guys need to work to remove them, then we're talking about late payments, and we're talking about sending that goodwill letter. But definitely go ahead and try it out. And again, we have the 6 months of free dispute letters. Definitely go ahead and do that. You just have to do steps 1 through 4, and then we'll go ahead and create them for you. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them down below.